So we had talked about making the report a little nicer. And one way that we can start is at the end of the script, we can actually check whether the report string is empty or not. If it is empty, then we know that there were no issues, right? So let's start with that. If it is, then we can just say print something like, nice job. Your HTML document is secure. And there we go. It's secure. And then in the else condition, we can say print the report, and we can say print something like vulnerability, right? Vulnerability report is as follows. And then perhaps we can add like a little line like you would see in a command line application. And then we can have another new line and maybe another new line. Let's see what that looks like with our vulnerable site. So let's see. Oops. We have one more issue here. And the issue is that I'm using too many new lines, but not enough. Let's see. And there we go. Vulnerability report is as follows. And maybe take that one out. There we go. And maybe take out one more. Okay, I like how that's looking. So form issue. Insecure form action found. Key is found in the HTML comments. Please remove. And then input issue. Plain text password input found. Okay, so everything is there in our report as we want it. And now let's try something a little different. Let's try running it again with my own website and see what it says. And it says, nice job, your HTML document is secure. That's great. Great news. Great news for me. And so we are now at a point where we have our complete tool as we're going to build it in terms of the core functionality. But now we get to discuss how we can make it a little nicer. How can we make it more configurable, and how can we do more about the output of the report? So we'll be starting that in the next lecture.